Consumer AI tools are designed to feel intuitive. We type a few words into a clean interface, and the machine generates a fluid, conversational response. This seamless experience works well for casual tasks, but in a professional setting, that polished surface masks a massive industrial complexity. To use these tools at an enterprise level, we have to look past the glowing interface and understand the machinery underneath. When we bring those passive habits to corporate tasks, the results are often disappointing. We ask for complex financial insights using the same vague language we use to ask a colleague for a quick note on the market, receive a wall of generic fluff, and assume the technology itself is flawed. This document maps the friction between human and machine communication. Humans rely on unspoken operational norms and shared context to fill in the gaps. AI has none. It operates exclusively on explicitly written instructions and literal data. Errors emerge when we provide vague instructions, assuming the machine can navigate the unspoken dynamics of our work. The core technology is the large language model. To use it effectively, we have to view it as a mathematical text prediction engine. Its function is to recognize structural patterns and predict the next most likely token in a sequence based on its training data. It does not think, and it possesses no innate reasoning capabilities or factual knowledge. This chart defines the divide between mass-market tools and the secure environment of Spark Assist. Public AI models may use your inputs for training, which is why they are prohibited for corporate workflows. Spark Assist is our armored truck, purpose-built for professionals, with secure data connectors that ensure proprietary information never leaks into the public domain. Extracting professional-grade value from this technology requires a shift in how we work. We have to abandon our casual consumer habits and adopt a structured, deliberate operating playbook. The foundational operating rule of enterprise AI, it is an amplifier, not a judge. Feed it weak, tangled thinking, and it amplifies confusion. Provide strong, structured thinking, and it transforms that input into precise deliverables. This mindset pivot requires moving away from the lazy prompt, where the user expects the AI to figure out the solution. In a structured prompt, the user decides the solution approach first and breaks the work into defined steps. This three-step framework shows how to control output. After initial research, step back and think like a leader. You alone must design the strategy and decide how to solve the problem before moving to execution. During execution, use these 6 mandatory variables for precise instructions. Define its specific role, provide decision-relevant context, state the objective, select format and tone, and spell out explicit constraints. Unstated assumptions create uncontrolled risk. By front-loading cognitive work and structuring the input, you stop the AI from guessing. You transform it from a chaotic generator into a highly disciplined executor of your instructions. This comparison between signal and noise highlights a major pitfall. Adding irrelevant narrative fluff, such as generic corporate backstory or vague project histories, severely degrades the AI's reasoning quality. You must funnel your input into strictly decision-relevant facts. Avoid the dangerous dump and pray workflow. Pasting massive reports creates high cognitive load and hallucinated outputs. Instead, use the decompose workflow. Guide the AI sequentially. Prompt it to extract metrics, compare them, structure the narrative, and validate the logic. Breaking tasks down step by step restricts the machine's ability to guess, ensuring the precision required for high-stakes analysis. This iteration flowchart outlines the reality of generating professional output. Your first draft is rarely the final version. As the core principle box states, refining clarity, adding constraints, and rerunning the prompt is the necessary calibration required for professional-grade results. We must be wary of the fluency trap. The most dangerous AI output is a beautifully written, highly confident document hiding factual errors. Because the engine optimizes for confidence over accuracy, human judgment must bypass this artificial fluency. You must challenge every underlying assumption. These security guardrails define our boundaries. The green zone is safe for public info. The yellow zone covers internal summaries, allowed only with heavy human verification. But the red zone is absolute. Material non-public information and unpublished client data must never enter the AI. This accountability checklist establishes the final operational rule. Look at item 4. The machine cannot be blamed for errors. You are the final owner and approver of every piece of data utilized, and you are accountable for the final result. Generative AI will never replace human judgment. It only amplifies the quality of the structured thought we feed into it. The machine does the typing, but you must do the thinking.